Okay, we're now on to two-way tables, and let's get into it. What is a two-way table? A two-way table is a frequency table used to organize data. So this is an example of a two-way table. You're comparing sort of two sets of data of things, and you can see here you've got males and females with different sort of sports here, and you might be asked to interpret it. You might be asked, for example, how many males play basketball. So you'd be looking at males and basketball, which is 15. Or you might be asked to how many females are footballers, and it would be 13. Or you could be asked in total how many males are there? How many males are there in total? That would be 48. You're looking at this one here. Or you could say how many basketball players are there in total? That is this one here. Or they could ask you how many people are there in total? It would be 100. Okay, so it's just recognizing how you read a two-way table. And if you're given a two-way table with missing gaps, as you can see here, okay, you can fill in these gaps by knowing that you can add up the rows. Okay, so the rows and the columns, so this stuff here, of a two-way table to help fill in the missing gaps. So here, if you wanted to find this one from this one, you couldn't do it because you need at least 2 bits of information either in a row or a column. But you could find this one using these two here, because you know that in total for maths there's 27 people, so something add 3 27, so 27 take away 3 is going to give you 24 on that one. Okay, because 24 add 3 gives you 27. Then to get the total over here, you can look at this way this time and say 24 add 15. Okay, it's going to give you 39 people in total. And then this one you could get in different ways. You could either do, well, this add something is 26, so 26 take away 3, which is going to give you 23. And it should make sense. Now if we look at this one over here, is 15 and 23 38? It makes sense. And to get this one here, you can either go and add these two together to get your total, or you can add these two together to get your total. You should get the same thing. Let's double check it. 27 add 38 is going to give you 65. And hopefully, if you go and do these ones added together, you get 65, and you do. So that makes sense, okay? So we're just looking at this video, looking at filling in the gaps from two-way tables. So I'll go through another my turn, then you can try your turn, and that's going to be it for this video. So the my turn says complete the two-way table, and then you've got some questions here. So first of all, let's go and complete the table. Now we can go and fill in this one by looking at this row here, because 23 add something is going to be 26, so that must be 3. And let's check it. This one should now make sense. Is 3 add 14 17? Yeah, it is, because the total is 17. Good. Now to get this one here, we can look at this row here. Something add 14 is 40, so 40 is your total. Take away 14 is going to give you 26. So 26 add 14 gives you 40. Perfect. Now to get this one, we can look at this here, because the total is going to be this add this. 23 add 26, okay, is going to give you 49. So 49 goes in there. Now 49 add 17 is going to give you 66, and hopefully if we look at this one, 26 and 40 also gives you 66. So perfect. There we go. Now we can look at the questions, which the first one is saying how many right-handed women are there. So we're looking at woman, and we're looking at the right-handed woman, so we're looking at 26. Okay, so that's your first answer. So 26 is the first one. Good. Part B is saying how many men are there in total. So you're looking at men, and you're looking at the total, which is going to be 26 men. Okay, so that's your answer for this one, also 26. Okay, coincidentally, that is just a coincidence. And then we've got how many people are there in total. So in total, you can see the total, and the total is 66. So that's going to be this one down here, 66. There we go. Okay, you can now go and do this one, question 2A, and pause the video, give that a go, and fast forward the end to see the answers. And part A is saying complete the two-way table. So again, we can look at this in different ways, but I'm going to begin by looking at this column here, because 8 and 25 will give me my total, which is going to be 33. I can also look at this one by saying something at 11 will be 27. So 27 take away 11 is going to be 26, which is nice. I can now go and get this one. It's like a puzzle, right? You can just kind of do it as it unfolds. Your total is going to be this add this, which is going to be 34. And then we can go and get this one over here. So 25 add 11 will give you a total, which is going to be 36. To get this one, you can either look at this one or this one. It will make no difference. This should be the same thing. 33 at 27 is going to give you 70, sorry. What's happened there? 33, 27. I'm going to mistake it. 33 and 27 is going to give you. Oh, what's happened there? What has happened there? 60, 34, 36. It gives you 34. Right, what's happened here then? Right, 8 of 25, definitely 33. What's happened there? It should be 16-ish, shouldn't it? That should be 16, I believe. Yeah, that was pretty silly. Okay, so there we go. Right, 8 and 16, that will give you 24. Apologies. Now that's better, isn't it? That's going to give you 60. Apologies, I made a slight mistake there, but all good. But that's good because we can check it, right? Because I checked the total here was 70 initially, and that was 60. I knew I made a mistake somewhere. So that's the good thing about these two-way tables. We can check our answers. Anyway, let's get into the questions. How many dogs are there in total? So we're looking at dogs. We're looking at the total, which is 24. So there we go. 24 can go down here. How many ginger cats are there in total? Let's highlight the keywords there. So how many ginger cats are there in total? So you've got ginger cats. It's going to be 25. There we go. Just down there, 25. And then last but not least, we are looking at how many ginger dogs and cats are there in total. So we're looking at how many ginger dogs and cats are there in total. Okay, so we're looking at this number here, 33. 8 and 25 is going to give you that 33, and that is your last one. So 33, perfect. Okay, and that is it. So just an introduction to looking at reading and understanding how to use two-way tables, because next on, we'll be looking at getting the probability from two-way tables. Thank you for watching.